lies perilous, sweet as poison. Fell ill from your kiss. I got drunk off your demons. One sipping, I'm lovesick. Built a home, turned to ruins.
So I am going to start off with my eyebrows. Just gonna slightly brush them. Then I'm using glue stick just to put my hairs in place. You can see how this side looks way more lifted, like the whole side of this face. Just the way our eyebrows are brushed up, it just looks different. Just gonna remove any glue that may left on my skin around eyebrows. Now I'm gonna take Catrice Ultra Precise Brow Pencil, and this one is in shade Cool Brown. This one is deep brown color, and it's a bit lighter than my natural eyebrows. Just filling in with small strokes. So now I'm going in with PLouise Base number 02 with their flat brush from Adhesive collection. And I am going really heavy with this base. When using any base around your eyebrows, it's good to have a flat brush so you can be really precise around that area. But also using blending brush to blend edges. I'm going to use some on my lower lash line. Today I'm going to use this Loreal Intense Eyeliner. This one is in number 01 Pure Black. And as you know, if you watch my videos, I usually use Inglot MC Gel Eyeliner in number 77, but this time they didn't have it in store, so I decided to grab something else, and this one was what I found, so I'm just interested to see how it's going to work. It also came with this little brush. I love how intense it is. To be honest, I am a bit skeptical after using Inglot for so long, and it's the best eyeliner I ever tried. It's hard to beat that. I just hope it doesn't dry really quick. I can say right away that this texture is different. Inglot's eyeliners, they really do have different texture than most of eyeliners that I've used. Like, I'm talking about gel liners. But for now, this one looks fine. For now, I'm going to stay out of my waterline. Let's make it a bit more intense. Now I'm going in with Illamasqua Artistry palette, and I'm using black matte eyeshadow to make this area dark as possible. I'm gonna use a bit of fixing spray just to make it more intense. Taking small blending brush and working with this eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this small brush that I've got from L'Oreal Eyeliner. I like the fact that it's really precise. Making this part really intense, really dark. Once this black eyeshadow has been placed, I'm going in with this gray color. And I'm going to start in with this area right here. The reason I'm doing this is because I'm going to create cut crease. Small blending brush and just work with the edges. Before I continue with next color, I'm going to use this white eyeshadow. So I'm starting underneath my eyebrow. The reason why I'm doing this is when next color comes in, it's going to be much more easier to blend it. For my other color, I'm going to use from NYX Full Play palette this gray right here, gray silver. So now, even though it's a bit darker, now I can go much more higher because it's blending with this light color, and I can go basically underneath my eyebrow with this color. Now again with black eyeshadow, I'm going in just to make this darker. And also that it matches the whole look. Starting off with center of cut crease. Not going too high with it. And now just blend the edges. So now it is time to cut a crease, and I'm using Vaseline for this and also flat brush. Reason why I'm using this product is because it will remove any excess eyeshadow, and this brush will make lines so sharp as if I cut it with a knife. It is so precise and it's so easy to work with. So this is something I would highly recommend when doing cut crease. So I'm slowly starting. So at first I'm not going too high, because if I cut my cut crease way too high, that's no way I'm going back. I'll have to do everything from the beginning, so I'll rather just take my time and go slowly, just a bit lower, and then just work my way up. And see how we have sharp line already. And to fill in cut crease, I'm using again from PLouise, this is blank canvas. Like I said, this is best product ever. This is different than their bases because the paints will dry and they will stay in place, and they make cut crease sharp. I haven't found anything that works better than this. I've tried concealers and bases and other stuff, but this is my number one. I don't even use anything else anymore. So I guess once I find something better, I'll just start using that. Since I don't have audio for this part, I'm filming it in post-production. As you can see, I'm filling in my cut crease with blank canvas. Now I'm working with gray color from Illamasqua Artistry palette, and just make notice how position of this eyeshadow follows cut crease. Then, as always, I took my time to blend the edges really well, especially when you are doing colors dark as this one. Just make sure that the edges are well blended so they will make nice transition. So now to fill in my cut crease, I'm using glitters, and I am working with eyelash glue to make them stick to my eyelid. So I am working with white glitter, then with silver glitter mixed with white, then just pure silver glitter, and then I'm using as well black glitter to make this transition from white to black. I am combining these colors as I would combine my eyeshadows from light to dark. For my lower lash line, I worked my way from black to gray to white color, and filling everything in with this L'Oreal gel liner, finishing off with mascara and false eyelashes. I will link everything in the description down below. Guys, I hope you like this makeup look, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!